Welcome to Remedyforce video tutorial. In this video, we'll explain how to replace the original Salesforce administrator in any org. Let's move to the demo part. So if there is a need to change the Salesforce system administrator and if admin is no longer with the company, then it's recommended as a best practice to ensure to have more than one system administrator at any given time so that disruptions in service are avoided if one of the admin are unable to log in. So in my org I have two system administrator. One is admin 2 and another one is this one myself. So we'll show how we can replace the original Salesforce administrator with a staff user or the non-admin user. So let's click on edit link of the administrator and uncheck this checkbox. It will prompt one warning message. So you have to fulfill this points before deactivating this user. So click on OK and save. The user is inactive now and one license of administrator is free. Now we'll click on the staff user whom you want to make as a new administrator. Click on edit and here we need to change the license. It will again prompt a warning, so I have already clean or follow the pointers before changing this license. So click on OK and change the profile as service desk system administrator and click on save. So in this way we can replace the original Salesforce administrator with a new admin user. So after the administrator change, there are few points which we need to modify, and the first one is the email service. So click on the administration tab and go to email services, and if there are any email service which are active in the org, make sure you change the context user for this email service. So let's take an example of this email service I have, and if you click on edit, okay, there is no email service. So let's quickly create one new email service here. Give a name as test email. Yeah, so if you can see the new email service having a context user, so make sure this context user should not be the deactivated or the old admin user whom we already deactivated. So we need to edit the context user for this email service. So you can give the new administrator like test admin here. Test admin and save it. And if you have any site enabled, make sure you change the administrator there as well. So for that you have to navigate to setup and search for site here. Open this site which is available or active. Click on edit and here you need to change the site contact and default record owner. So we have to change these two fields values with the new admin, test admin. Test admin and save it. Now this self-service will run without any issue. Now the third one we have to consider after changing the original system administrator is the job. So if there is any job running with the old one, you have to click on that job and run it again so that it will reflect the new administrator. So for that we have to go to application settings and general application settings, and here we have to stop. If the job is already running, just stop it and start it again, so that in the job queue it will not show the owner as the old administrator name. So if you search for the job, schedule job, there you can submit it by, so this name will be changed. If you are changing the system administrator, then you have also need to change this, otherwise it will create a confusion among the other administrator. In this case my is already stopped, so I have started this and I have also started this. Stopping, so that it will show it as a new administrator. Schedule job, refresh it. So this will reflect the new administrator who will run the jobs. And if there is any workflow or process builder where the email notification need to be sent, that also need to be replaced with the active administrator user. This concludes how to replace the original Salesforce administrator. I hope this video was informative and thanks for watching it.